Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect Drip to Paperform. Drip is an e-commerce and marketing tool that helps businesses automate their sales and marketing workflows. By integrating Drip with Paperform, you can streamline your lead generation and your customer management processes. The integration between Drip and Paperform can create new contacts in Drip automatically and even add subscribers to your email and marketing campaigns. Leveraging the power of Paperform and Drip can improve your communication with customers, automate your marketing workflows, and lead to better results. Here I have an online form that collects the details of a contestant entering my giveaway competition. I want to send marketing campaigns in the future from Drip to the emails I collect from this competition. So to do this, from the form editor, navigate to After Submissions, Integrations, and Webhooks. Select Drip under the Direct Integrations and select Create or Update a Contact. Time to connect your Drip account. Select the Add Account button and just simply authorize the connection there. Once your account has successfully been connected to Paperform, it's time to set up the integration. Firstly, select your Drip account here. And now we can configure what information and details we want to share from the form submission with the new contact. Firstly, we need to set the email address of this new contact. To use the response from the submitter to our form's email question, we can follow the process of answer piping. If we select the icon to the right of the field here, we'll be shown the questions within our form. Let us select the email question, and this will dynamically display a submitter's response each time the form is submitted and a new contact is created. Now, we can work our way through the rest of these fields using answer piping where we see fit. Those without an asterisk are not required, and we can leave those blank if we choose to do so. And also notice that we can create conditional logic rules for when this integration is actioned. A helpful feature if you include a question field similar to, do you agree to subscribing to our mailing list? If the submitter answers yes, then this integration has the all clear to be actioned. If they answer no, well, this integration won't trigger. And once you're happy with the integration setup, it's time to run a test. However, please ensure that you have completed a test submission of your form first so the Paperform can test the connection with Drip using real data. And boom, it's a success. So if we navigate to our Drip dashboard and our contacts there, we can see the newly created contact. It's that simple. Now we just need to navigate back and select Finish Setup. And it's from the Integrations and Webhooks tab that you can turn off this integration, edit, duplicate, delete, and even look at the history of the integration actions. Overall, integrating Paperform with Drip can help automate workflows, enhance customer relations, and ultimately lead to improved productivity and better outcomes for your sales and marketing efforts. So hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting integrations and videos. And we want to know in the comments, what apps do you want to connect to your Paperform? I hope it's been a helpful video. Good luck and have fun integrating your tools.